how to transfer files between Android and Windows devices. So here you can see I'm already on a Windows device, and let's connect our Android device. Do note that we are connecting this device through a USB cable. So that is something you have to know. There are two ways, wired and wireless. We are going with the wired way in this video. Once you have connected the Android device, you will get an notification. So go back to the Android device and click on file transfer. You have to make sure that file transfer is selected, otherwise this won't work. One thing good about Windows is you do not need to install any kind of application to transfer files. So now let's go to File Explorer. In File Explorer, let's go to this PC. And here you can see we have three things. So these two are my drives and this is my device. Let's click on that device. Here you will be presented with an internal storage. If your device has an SD card, that will also come up over here. Let's go in internal storage, and here you can see these are all the files that are available on your Android device. Let's say I want to copy a few files from the DCIM, which is your digital camera images. So let's say I have selected these two files. So to copy them, we can right click, or you can just press Command plus C and it will copy. Go to your destination. In this case, it is the desktop. We will create a new folder here. To create a new folder, I'm going to use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus N. So here you can see I've created a folder. Let's go in that, and we use the shortcut Control plus V to copy it. And here you can see we've copied and pasted it. But how does it work if you want to copy your data into an Android device? So you can, let's just say I want to copy this folder again. Again, we'll use Control plus C to copy, and then we'll again go into our device, and this is my destination. You can select any of the folders you wish and press Control plus V to paste it. And here you can see we've created a folder and successfully copied our two images in this case. So yeah, that's how simple it is. If you have liked the video, if you found it helpful, do drop a like, share and subscribe.